lifts the sack, and then he throws it up for grabs, and it's into the arms of Mary Church. Bill Parcells would call those indiscriminate throws that you got to take out of your game, and him just throwing it up, trying to make a play as best he can. See the pressure in the pocket, and he does a good job of navigating that, but really nobody in the area. He just throws it up, and those are the type of throws you just obviously can't make. They score a touchdown here. They make it interesting with an onside kick. Barkley to the end zone. Instead, it is intercepted by Brandon Carr, and that will tie a ribbon around this one. They played zone coverage, and I think Matt Barkley was expecting it to be man coverage, and so Brandon Carr at the top, he sloughs, and he just reads Matt Barkley. The ball's thrown to the corner. He's right there to make a play, and that's what I talked about is just recognizing what the coverages are and then who the people are that take those routes away.
It's officially vacation.
They see BW